Shade Sales Design, Manufacture, Installation and Repair, Ingleburn, New South Wales. This well-established and highly profitable shade sale business has been operating successfully for over a decade. With Australia's harsh UV climate, this business provides an essential service that continues to grow in demand. Strict compliance requirements, particularly across childcare centres and schools, ensure ongoing work. Major clients include New South Wales public schools, childcare centres, builders and residential customers. There is significant scope to expand the business through digital advertising, SEO and further industry partnerships.